World's largest and most dangerous animals. Komodo dragon. It has a powerful bite and venomous saliva that can be deadly. Saltwater crocodile, known for its powerful bite and aggressive nature. African elephant, can be dangerous when threatened. Great white shark, known for its powerful bite and frequent presence in popular culture. Grizzly bear, known for its strength and occasional aggressive behavior. Hippopotamus. The hippo is extremely aggressive and territorial, responsible for more human deaths in Africa. Box jellyfish, one of the most venomous creatures in the ocean. These are the world's largest and most dangerous animals.